What's up, guys? This is Theo here. Welcome back to CodeCademy Introduction to JavaScript Part 15. So let's jump right into it. This section has 30 units. I want to break it up into two. So let's just go into it. Introduction to Objects 2. Let's reset the code. Create a new Gabby object, create James object by adding properties to it. So we'll say job, programmer, and married is false. Create a Gabby object. She's an instance of a person, and her job is student. Married is true. Submit that code. Cool. Let's reset this, and we'll add a speak method. So we'll say this dot speak is a function, and all this is going to do is it's going to console.log hello. Submit that. Next one. Complete the speak method. So it's going to take in an argument, and we're going to console.log hello, I am feeling plus the arg. Cool. Let's reset this code. This is mostly a review, guys. Complete the sayJob method so that it will print to the console how I work as a. So this is going to take in a value. It's going to console.log hi, I work as a plus value, and let's run this. First job will be job.sayJob. sayJob 14. Change the. Let me just make sure I'm doing this right. This dot job inside your method. Oh, okay, my bad. Hi, I work as this dot job. We don't need that value anymore. We'll do James.job equal to super programmer. Sorry about that, guys. Let's reset our code. Cool. So we're accessing the this, which refers to this object, and the job property is programmer. Let's reset this code. And in line 7, set a property to a string at the first property in James. So we'll do James 0. Then print James's job using bracket notation and a property. So we'll do console.log James a property, let's see, line 7, make sure I'm doing this right, should be a string. Set a property to a string of the first property in James, i.e. the job property. Okay, so we're going to set it equal to programmer, and then we're going to log out James a property. I eat the job property. Oh, my bad. So we're going to do this. Set this equal to job, and then close that off. Make sure we're getting the right thing. Cool. So we just use this, a property, and use bracket notation because this defaults to a string. Let's reset our code. So we're going to do type of. This will tell us what type of something is. So this should print an object. It's going to print type of an object. Type of a number, and type of a string. We should get object, number, and string back. Cool. Let's reset this, and you should finish my object by giving it a name property. So say name is Theo. Does not have a nickname property, so the last line will print false. Okay. Cool. Let's reset this. Remove the console.log statement, write an if statement that checks to see if suitcase has the shorts property. If suitcase.shirt, what is it using? Oh, okay. If suitcase dot dot has property shorts. If that's the case, console.log suitcase.shorts else set shorts properties any value you wish. So say suitcase.shorts equals jeans, and let's clean that up a little bit. It's kind of messy. And let me think, what's the next thing I want to do? We can print the value of the shorts property. So we'll do console.log suitcase.shorts. Let's make sure this works for us. Shorts is not defined. If suitcase.has own property shorts, if your if statement provides true, print the value of else suitcase.shorts. If suitcase, if expression suitcase object.has own property suitcase.has own property. Oh, we gotta pass it a string, my bad. Let's run that again. Cool. Let's reset our code. Use a for and loop to print out all the properties. So we'll do for var prop in NYC. We will just console.log prop. Should get all the properties. Likewise, if we console.log NYC prop, then we should get the values. Alright, so let's just change this back to prop real quick, guys. And looks good to go. Let's reset this. Write another for and loop, but this time print the value. Okay, so for var prop in NYC. We want to console.log NYC. This is the object and the prop in that object. Okay, so let's run that again. Looks like we got it. Okay, so make your own class circle. So say function circle. And what do we want to do with it? Should have one property, radius, and this dot radius equals radius. Okay, looks like that's what they want. And let's reset this. Start at line 15, add a bark method for the Snoopy object. So we'll do Snoopy.bark is a function. And what do we want to do here? Take whatever noise you want. We need a console.log bark. I don't know. Let's run that. Cool. Let's reset our code. Make a person called me. Var me is a new person. And the parameters it's going to take is my name, Theo, and the age is 23. Let's run that. Cool. Let's reset our code and submit. Cool. So this is looking at prototype. You can read about this. Prototype just lets you look at up the chain of the class. So you can read about this in here. But if you want to add a method to a class so all members of the class can use it, so instead of having to create new instances, you can actually create this on the prototype, and then you can not sort of muck up the main copy. Cool. So last one for this. Let's reset our code. Add a meow method to the cat prototype. Okay, so let's do this by doing cat.prototype. So we're grabbing the cat's prototype. See how the syntax highlighting changed. .meow is a function. And sitting console.log meow. And let's call it for each one. So let's do Cheshire.meow. And we'll do Gary.meow. So looks like it's good to go. So that's it for this one, guys. Again, like I said, I'm dividing this into two parts. This is part 15. Next up will be part 16, where I go through 16 through 30, or look at it for sure, 16 through 30, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Always appreciate the feedback. As always, guys, please subscribe and support the channel. It means a lot. Thanks. Have a great day.